Hello, welcome to the UEwithWill beginner tutorial series. Throughout this series we're going to learn how to use Unreal Engine 4. To start off, head on over to unrealengine.com, the link will be in the description, and create an account if you don't already have an Epic Games account. Click on the download link in the top right hand corner once you have an account, and on the next page click on the publishing license, as this is the license we'll need to create games inside of Unreal Engine 4. Once you've done all that, you're fine to go on to the next video, which will be a tour of the Epic Games launcher. But for right now, let me describe to you what is going to be inside of this series. We are going to learn how to install the engine, how to update the engine, as updates are quite frequent, how to create projects, how to navigate around the editor window, Blueprint, which is the visual scripting language inside of Unreal Engine 4, so no knowledge of coding is required. We're going to learn about variables, what they are, how we can create them, get them, set them. We're going to learn about arrays, components, how to manage our folders. We're going to learn about project settings. We are going to learn about how to add inputs to your game, collision, physics, materials, textures, particles, meshes, importing, exporting, migrating. There's a lot we need to cover, and if all of that sounded like gibberish, then this is the perfect series for you. I'm going to teach you what all of those are, and once we've got a basic knowledge of the engine, I'll also have a series on Blueprint, Niagara, materials, as there's a lot of things we can cover. But for now though, if this is the content you need, subscribe to the channel, and let's head over to the next video, the Epic Launcher Tour.